everyone, my name is Melanie. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited about this video. I'm installing the beautiful Freetress Yaky Bounce 16 inches straight hair. I am so excited. I hope you guys are excited as I am because this hair is beautiful if you've ever seen it before. But right now my hair is covered with a scarf because I didn't want to come on here looking, you know, like a thug. I haven't worn straight hair in a very long time. It's been about a year. So I really wanted to go back to that straight look, but I really wanted something really nice and, you know, really quality like. So that's why I decided to go with the Freetress, and you guys will see what I mean by quality hair. So the hair I have is in the color 2. So as you guys can see, I have 3 packs of hair. Altogether it came to $35. So each pack of hair is $10.99. So right now I have my hair braided in the front, 12 going back in the front here, and it stopped, and I braided into a circle in the back. I'm ready to get this hair in. I'm ready to slay. So if you guys are interested in staying tuned and seeing how I install and my final thoughts on it, definitely stay tuned, and I hope you guys are excited to see the final results as I am. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So first you want to create a wide enough gap in the extension strand in order for the crochet needle to go through it. So I'm just installing the hair in the front just as I did in the back. However, once I get to the top of my head, I'm going to attempt the knotless part, or in other words, the invisible part. everyone, so I'm finally finished installing my Freetress Yaky Bounce 16 inches extensions, and I am so happy with the results. I was getting excited when I was finishing the top. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm about to be finished. The hair is looking flawless. Freetress did an amazing job with this hair. This has been the best straight hair I ever installed in my hair, crochet extensions at that. I am just so impressed. I give this hair a 10 out of 10 without a doubt. So flowy, so beautiful, so effortless. If you want straight hair that flows in the wind effortlessly, this is the hair to get. The good thing about this hair is you're on budget. I only spent $35 for 3 packs of this hair, and I still have 1 pack left. You can't beat $35. I mean, especially if you don't do it often. This is my first time doing straight hair in a very long time. So I am like so excited and just so happy to have a different look. So I haven't experienced any matting, nothing like that. I take care of the hair. I feel like it's all about the maintenance and how you maintain the hair. I've been wearing my scarf every night, satin scarf, putting my hair up in a bun and putting a scarf on it every night. I feel like as long as you take care of the hair, you have no issues with matting or tangles, because it's all about how you treat things. So the hair came in 16 inches. So 16 inches I believe is the only length that you can get in this hair, which I feel like is a perfect length. So the hair is very stunning. I cannot get over it. I can't even honestly keep my hands out of the hair. So I got the color 2 only because my natural hair isn't light brown, nor is it jet black. So it's in between, and that's mainly the reason why I went for the number 2 in this hair color. So the installation took 2 hours, and that wasn't including the braiding process. I usually braid my hair the night before, and then the next morning I do my installation. And this has to be the fastest crochet extensions I've put in thus far. And the installation process was very fun. I enjoyed it, and I'll probably be going back to this hair for a good 2 months from now. So yeah, get used to it. So this hair is very on budget. I spent $35 in total. Each pack was $10.99, and I am just so happy with the fact that this hair is on budget and it's quality, like very soft, and you can't get any better than that. So I love the fact that this hair has a beautiful swoop at the end. It gives me that natural looking, it gives me that natural look, like as if it was a fresh blowout. I love that look, and I'm just so happy that Freetress incorporated a natural look to the ends of the hair. The hair is 3 times the thickness than the other hair that they had out. So I really love that I didn't have to use that many pieces in the back, that many extensions in the back, and I still got the full effect. If you don't want to install too much in the back, you really don't have to. So not only does the hair feel natural, but it looks natural. It looks like I can get away with this hair being my natural hair, especially from the back. I recommend you guys to pick up this hair if you want to go for a beautiful protective style. If you want to go for something different, I feel like you will be very happy with this hair, without a doubt. As you can see, my hands go right through the hair. It goes right through. No tangle whatsoever. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, which I don't know why you wouldn't be, the link is down below in the description. You can press my link down below for Amazon, where you can purchase this hair and buy as many packs as you want, or you can click the button up here, the link up here. You want to go for a protective style, something really beautiful. If you want to go for a different look, you want to go for a straight look this time, I definitely recommend this hair 110%. If you guys like my hair, definitely give this video a thumbs up and click my link and purchase the hair. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys later. Bye.